Meet the 100-inch tree spade. This incredible machine can move a fully grown tree without causing major damage to its roots. It sounds almost impossible, but watching it work is seriously impressive. Instead of cutting the tree down, this powerful equipment carefully surrounds it, lifts it out of the ground with its root system protected, and prepares it for a brand new home. Strong steel blades slide deep into the soil from every side, creating a large, secure root ball that keeps the tree healthy during the move. Once everything is locked in place, the machine lifts the entire tree with amazing stability. From there, it's transported to a new location and replanted with incredible accuracy, giving the tree the best chance to keep growing for years to come. Across the United States, professional landscapers, commercial property developers, and large farms rely on machines like this to save mature trees instead of replacing them. It helps preserve beautiful landscapes, reduces waste, and saves years of growing time. Seeing a massive tree lifted like it's just another load is something you won't forget. Meet the Keki and Magli Trium 6-row cabbage transplanter. This incredible farming machine is changing the way American growers plant thousands of cabbage seedlings across large fields. Instead of spending long hours planting by hand, this machine handles 6 rows at the same time with impressive speed and accuracy. Every seedling is placed at the right distance and the right depth, helping crops grow more evenly from the very beginning. That means healthier plants, less waste, and a better chance for a strong harvest. Whether you're working on a family farm or managing hundreds of acres, this machine helps get the job done faster while reducing the need for large planting crews. Its strong build is made for tough field conditions, and the simple controls make it easier for operators to stay productive throughout the day. With fewer mistakes and more consistent planting, farmers can save valuable time and focus on growing high-quality crops instead of worrying about uneven rows. Modern agriculture is all about working smarter. Meet the AIM Attachments Mrs. 20 Rock Saw. This giant machine is built to do one thing incredibly well: cut through solid rock like it's almost effortless. Whether it's helping build new highways, installing underground utility lines, or preparing construction sites across America, this powerful rock saw gets the job done with speed and precision. Instead of smashing rock into pieces, it slices cleanly through tough surfaces, creating smooth cuts while keeping the surrounding area safer and more controlled. That means less mess, fewer unexpected cracks, and a faster job from start to finish. Mounted on a powerful excavator, the AIM Attachments Mrs. 20 Rock Saw is designed for demanding construction projects where accuracy matters just as much as raw power. From rocky job sites to large-scale demolition work, this machine proves that modern equipment can handle some of the toughest challenges with ease. Watching this massive blade carve through solid stone is incredibly satisfying, and it's easy to see why professionals rely on machines like this every day to keep America's biggest projects moving forward. Meet the XCMG ET 110 and ET 111 mobile walking excavators. Most excavators are built for flat job sites, but these incredible machines are made for places that seem almost impossible to reach. Whether it's climbing over massive rocks, crossing shallow rivers, or working on steep hillsides, they keep moving where ordinary equipment would get stuck. Instead of relying on tracks alone, these excavators use powerful walking legs and rugged wheels that help them stay balanced on rough ground. That means crews can work safely in areas where traditional machines simply can't go. From clearing storm damage and repairing utility lines to building roads in remote locations and handling tough construction jobs, these machines are built to take on some of the hardest challenges. What really makes them impressive is the smooth control and powerful digging performance. Every movement is steady, precise, and designed to handle difficult conditions without slowing down. Watching these machines adapt to the terrain feels more like watching a giant robot than a typical excavator. If you enjoy seeing the world's most advanced heavy equipment in action, you're in the right place. Meet the LT Master F60 by GoWile, a machine that's changing the way American farmers handle hay and silage. Instead of using separate machines for baling and wrapping, this one does both in a single pass, helping farmers save time, fuel, and effort during the busiest part of the season. Every time it picks up fresh forage, it forms a tight, evenly packed round bale and wraps it right away. That quick wrapping keeps out air and moisture, helping preserve the feed so livestock get better quality nutrition months later. It also means less waste and fewer spoiled bales, which can make a real difference on farms across the United States. What makes this machine stand out is how smoothly everything works. Most of the process is automated, so the operator can stay focused on the field instead of constantly making adjustments. Whether you're working on a family farm or managing hundreds of acres, this machine is built to keep moving and get more done before the weather changes. Modern farming is all about working smarter, and the LT Master F60 is a great example of that. Meet the Venus Rotomax, one of the smartest farming machines helping American farmers work faster, cover more ground, and get better results. Instead of driving heavy tanks across the field all day, this system pumps liquid fertilizer through a long hose directly from a storage site. That means less driving, less fuel, and more time getting the job done. As the Venus Rotomax moves across the field, it places the fertilizer exactly where it's needed, close to the soil. This helps crops absorb more nutrients, reduces waste, and keeps fields in better condition throughout the growing season. For large farms across the United States, every hour matters. That's why systems like this are becoming a game changer. They help reduce soil damage, improve efficiency, and allow farmers to cover huge acres without slowing down. It's a great example of how modern farming is becoming faster, smarter, and more productive while making the most of every pass across the field. Would you trust this machine on your farm? Meet the Kloss Disco 1010 Comfort and Kloss Disco 1010 Trend, two massive mower combinations built to help American farmers cut more acres in less time. These machines are designed for the kind of big jobs that demand speed, reliability, and consistent results. When hay season arrives, every hour matters. That's where these powerful mowers really stand out. Their extra-wide cutting path lets farmers cover large fields faster, helping them stay ahead of changing weather and tight harvest schedules. Instead of making pass after pass, they get more done in less time. What makes these machines even more impressive is how smoothly they handle uneven ground. Whether you're working across rolling hills or wide open farmland, they follow the shape of the field to deliver a clean, even cut while protecting the crop. That means better quality hay, less wasted time, and a more productive day from sunrise to sunset. Built with durability in mind and made for long hours in the field, the Kloss Disco 1010 Comfort and Kloss Disco 1010 Trend help farmers work smarter without slowing down. Meet the one-man fencing crew. If you've ever installed a fence, you know it usually takes a full crew, plenty of time, and a lot of hard work. But what if one person could do the job faster without sacrificing quality? That's exactly what the one-man fencing crew is built for. This smart machine helps a single operator lift, position, and hold heavy fence posts with impressive accuracy. Instead of waiting for extra workers, one person can handle the entire installation safely and efficiently. It's a perfect solution for American farmers, ranch owners, contractors, and property owners who want to save time and reduce labor costs. Whether you're building a fence around a cattle ranch, securing farmland, protecting private property, or setting up a construction site, this machine is ready for the challenge. Its powerful hydraulic system gives the operator complete control, while the compact design makes it easy to work in open fields, uneven ground, and tight spaces. The result? Faster installations, less physical strain. Meet the GX XD series. Think a machine has to be huge to handle serious foundation work? Think again. This compact piling rig is proof that incredible power can come in a surprisingly small package. Built for jobs where larger equipment simply won't fit, the GX XD series easily works in narrow city streets, indoor construction sites, parking garages, tunnels, and other tight spaces across the United States. Its compact size allows it to pass through restricted entrances while staying stable and precise on the job. But don't mistake its size for weakness. This machine drills deep, installs strong foundation piles with impressive accuracy, and helps crews complete projects faster with less disruption. That means less noise, less vibration, and fewer delays, something contractors in nearby communities can both appreciate. Whether it's supporting a new home, upgrading aging infrastructure, or helping build the next commercial project, the GX XD series delivers reliable performance where traditional rigs simply can't operate. Meet the Komatsu Continuous Miner, the underground machine that can cut through solid coal, gather it, and keep production moving without stopping. It's built for one job, and it does it incredibly well. Deep below the surface, this powerful machine uses a massive rotating drum to slice through coal with impressive speed and accuracy. Instead of stopping after every cut, it immediately pulls the coal onto its built-in loading system and sends it straight to waiting shuttle cars or conveyor belts. That means less waiting, more work getting done, and a much smoother mining process. What makes the Komatsu continuous miner stand out is its combination of strength and smart engineering. It's designed to handle long shifts in challenging underground environments while giving operators better control and improved safety. Its reliable performance helps mining crews stay productive and reduce costly delays. Machines like this play a major role in keeping industries supplied with the resources they depend on every day. Meet the Horsch Lieb GS, the powerful farming machine that's helping American farmers protect more crops in less time. Built for large farms across the United States, this machine is made to work faster, smarter, and more accurately than ever before. One of its best features is how smoothly it moves across uneven fields while keeping the spray exactly where it's needed. That means less waste, better crop coverage, and healthier plants from one end of the field to the other. With its large tank and high working speed, the Horsch Lieb GS can cover hundreds of acres before needing a refill. Inside the cab, the operator gets a comfortable workspace with modern technology that helps guide the machine with incredible accuracy. This saves valuable time, reduces fuel costs, and helps make every pass count during the busy growing season. Whether it's applying fertilizer, weed control, or crop protection products, this machine helps American farmers get the job done quickly while protecting their investment and increasing productivity. If this machine were on your farm, what crop would you use it on first? Meet the Vortex Skid Steer Stump Grinder. It may look like just another attachment, but once it gets to work, you'll see why it's built for some of the toughest stump removal jobs around. Today, it's taking on 3 very different tree stumps, and each one pushes this machine to its limits. The first stump disappears faster than you'd expect. The spinning cutting wheel tears through thick wood with incredible speed, leaving nothing but a pile of fresh mulch behind. The second stump is older, harder, and more stubborn, but this machine keeps grinding without slowing down. Finally, it faces the biggest challenge of the day, proving just how much power and control it delivers when the job gets tough. Designed to mount on a skid steer, the Vortex Skid Steer Stump Grinder helps property owners, landscapers, contractors, and land clearing crews remove unwanted stumps without the backbreaking work of digging them out. It grinds below ground level, leaving the area clean and ready for your next project. So, which stump do you think gave this machine the biggest challenge?